Welcome to a journey where calm meets creativity, where nature is not just admired, but brought home in the most delicate, intentional ways. Today, we invite you to discover how to create your own peaceful haven through Japanese-inspired garden design. Whether you have a spacious backyard or just a tiny balcony, there's a place in your life for the quiet beauty of Japanese gardens. We'll dive into the principles behind their elegance, uncover design tips, and share soulful ideas that reflect harmony, simplicity, and serenity. This is more than garden inspiration. This is about finding peace at home. A Japanese garden is not built overnight. It's born out of philosophy, deep cultural roots, and a quiet respect for the rhythm of nature. Rooted in centuries of Japanese culture, these gardens invite you to slow down and observe. Every leaf, every stone, every drop of water has meaning. The concept of Japanese aesthetics is not about extravagance, it's about simplicity, about capturing the essence of nature and presenting it in a way that feels balanced and complete. The principles of minimalism are present in every corner. Nothing is excessive. Everything is intentional. There's a love for imperfection here, for things that are asymmetrical, weathered, and worn. This appreciation of natural imperfection is called wabi-sabi, and it brings a gentle humility to the space. Japanese garden design is about embracing what already exists and allowing it to speak. It's an act of deep listening. Rather than reshaping the land dramatically, the designer works with it, honoring its textures, its slopes, its quiet potential. This is how peaceful spaces are born. They aren't forced, they're revealed. As we move deeper into Japanese garden design, we begin to notice patterns and elements that repeat, yet never feel repetitive. Stones are placed with care, never randomly, and yet they seem to belong exactly where they are. Water flows not just for decoration, but to represent life, change, and clarity. The use of water in Japanese gardens is subtle, often gentle, a small pond reflecting the sky, a bamboo spout trickling rhythmically, or even a dry stream bed made of raked gravel in a Zen garden. Plant life is chosen not for color alone, but for texture, for shape, for how it behaves with the seasons. Moss carpets the ground softly, whispering of age and endurance. Ferns peek from shaded corners. Dwarf pines, carefully pruned, evoke strength and longevity. Trees like maple and cherry become storytellers through the seasons, bringing drama in the fall and magic in the spring. Lanterns, often made of stone, add a timeless presence. Their soft glow at dusk turns a garden path into a journey. And then there are the bridges, arched and humble, leading you across water or gravel, guiding your movement gently through the space. Even the pathways, whether made of stepping stones or wooden planks, are designed to slow you down, to make you pay attention. It's an invitation to be present. You don't need a sprawling garden to create something meaningful. Japanese garden ideas adapt beautifully to small areas. Even the tiniest corner of a yard, balcony, or indoor nook can become a tranquility garden, Imagine a simple arrangement of pebbles, a few sculpted stones and a small bonsai, or a bamboo fountain beside a sliding glass door, its gentle sound creating a rhythm that calms the mind. In a narrow courtyard, moss and gravel might cover the ground, while bamboo lines the walls to create a sense of privacy and enclosure. A single lantern placed with intention can become the soul of the space. For those living in urban apartments, an indoor Zen corner can do wonders. A low wooden table, a few houseplants, a ceramic bowl of water or sand, these elements together become a moment of calm inside your home. Interior design and garden design blend effortlessly when inspired by Japanese garden style. Natural materials, earthy tones, soft lighting, and minimal decor inside the home extend the atmosphere of peace from outdoors to indoors. It's not about having everything, it's about having only what brings you peace. If you're ready to create your own version of a Japanese garden, take inspiration from the many forms it can take. Some gardens are built around a koi pond, with stone paths weaving between maples and moss. Others are minimal, with a single lantern standing in gravel surrounded by bamboo. You might prefer a courtyard garden with an asymmetrical design, or a narrow space lined with ferns, water basins, and stepping stones. You could create a dry Zen garden with raked patterns and sculptural rocks, or a shaded retreat with lanterns, sound, and texture. Even a few carefully chosen plants on your windowsill can begin the transformation. Allow Japanese culture and tradition to guide you. Allow your heart to shape the space. Let your design reflect your need for peace. Let your choices be slow and intentional. Let your home become not just where you live, but where you truly arrive. And so we come to the end of this journey, a quiet walk through the timeless beauty of Japanese garden design. Whether you're dreaming of a tranquil backyard, a tiny Zen nook, or simply bringing more peaceful elements into your home decor, remember that the heart of a Japanese garden is not found in how it looks, but how it feels. In a world that moves so fast, your garden can be the space that asks you to breathe, to notice, and to simply be. Thank you for joining us today. If this video gave you inspiration, leave a comment, share your favorite garden moment, and subscribe for more stories about interior design, outdoor living, and peaceful home spaces. Until next time, may your home bloom with balance, beauty, and stillness.